Welcome to today's video. My name is H Sonic and we are going to be drawing Tails from the Sonic the Hedgehog series. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, here you have it. Here is Tails Tails Prower. That's the name wrong. But hopefully you enjoyed. In a minute, I think that is somewhat recognizable. He looks more like a fox than anything else. Well, that's because he is a fox, but he looks even more so like a fox. Anyways, peace, love, and hot sauce, and thanks for watching, and until tomorrow. I'm still not used to saying tomorrow. Okay, well, now we're just going to fade to black and do the outro.